So we're going to fix a faucet where we have a hose that is connected to it and is leaking. So we'll be fixing this at this very moment. First thing that I'm gonna do, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Good damn. After you expose the faucet and take out the hose out, you want to dry it up, which I dried it up with a towel. And then you want to get this special tool that actually helps when plumbing, And what it helps to seal the faucet. And it won't create any leaks from happening. They say you should apply it like 3 times, But I applied it about 6 times. Because I don't want this bad boy leaking out. Just gotta make sure got that security. Alright. Got this sealed. Looks good. Like I said, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Ain't nothing but a riddle over here. It's just a small little riddle. Okay, close it and make sure you have your tools ready. Like I said, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And that's all she wrote, That's all she wrote. That's all she freaking wrote. Make sure it's tight on there. Seems really tight on there. There isn't a lot of leakage, but see if we could tighten it a little bit more. Stop that small leak from coming. Because small drops are coming for sure. I think that stopped it right there. That stopped it right there because we got the thing going, so got the hose going. Now I'm gonna just turn it off and it should be good now. I mean, I could probably tighten it one more time, but I think that's all I could go. That's what it seems like, but that's how you repair any leaks coming out the faucet when you have the hose connected. You got that thing tight, dry, no more leaks. Let's get that thing